Also, find the hidden basketball in the video.
Enjoy.
Okay class, since Mr. Lanford is absent today, we're gonna watch a movie. We'll be watching the movie Zootopia 2.
Not that woke Disney crap.
Then what do you wanna watch?
Watch something better, yo, like season 9 episode 1, Family Guy. That's the best episode to exist in that show.
Are you serious right now, Caillou? We cannot play the show in class. That show includes profanities and can bring bad influences into life which isn't suitable for you guys. Meanwhile, the movie Zootopia 2 is appropriate and suitable for you guys to watch, and it has a meaningful message, like all Disney movies.
We ain't buying that woke crap.
Caillou Anderson, if you don't wanna watch the movie, then step out of the classroom.
Fine. I'm getting out of here. Hope you dumbasses enjoy that woke garbage shit show. Fuck you guys. I'm getting the hell out of here. Peace.
Sorry class for that interruption. Let's just watch the movie now.
Guys, that stupid fuck knows nothing about my favorite show. Stupid dumb jagoff. Only fucking knows how to show Disney cartoons. The hell do you think we are? Bunch of butt-wimp 5-year-olds? But now that I am kicked out of the classroom, I'm gonna just bore myself to death here until lunch. I wonder what will happen if I pull the fire alarm. Like, will it trigger the whole fire department? I've always been captivated by that thing, but never dared to touch it. Well, since I have nothing to do, I might as well just do it.
Holy shit, there's a fire. Shut the goddamn movie off now and go line up outside.
Motherfucker, I didn't finish the movie yet.
You stupid asshole, can't you hear the fire alarm? We need to evacuate the building ASAP, or we're all gonna die here. Okay class, since there's a fire, we need y'all to line up according to your height, stick together, and walk slowly out of the building.
All right.
Holy crap, there's a fire. I gotta jump out the window. Oh wow, 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 wow.
Principal, you made it.
Ouch. The glass. It freaking hurts. Anyway, how are the students?
They're fine. All made it out alive.
Nope, I don't see any fire. This could just be some false alarm. Stupid school wasting my time. Guys, we're leaving. Principal James.
Yo, how is it?
I'm sorry to inform you that this is just some false alarm. Someone might have accidentally pulled the fire alarm.
What? You shitting me?
Everything is normal. No fire, nothing is damaged. Think you guys might have overreacted.
I shouldn't have jumped out the fucking window. The glass cuts my head. Freaking hurts.
Who told your ass to jump off the window? You think you're Leon from Resident Evil 4? Yeah, you look more like his grandpa.
Prick.
Words really do hurt, huh? Anyway, I'm not gonna waste any more time here in this stupid school. I'm out. Peace.
Come on, they're just words.
I'm gonna go find that son of a damn bitch who did this crap.
I wonder what will happen if I pull the fire alarm. Like, will it trigger the whole fire department? I've always been captivated by that thing, but never dared to touch it. Well, since I have nothing to do, I might as well just do it.
You bald, inbred, finger-licking, good bald chicken wing piece of shit. You are so motherfucking dead. I'm calling the damn cops.
So guys, sorry about what just happened. Let's just watch the movie now. I hope you all... What's going on?
There you are, young man. You're coming with me.
What? What did I do?
Shh, be quiet. You're coming with me. You're about to go downtown and slammed with a big strike and a big suspension by the principal.
Seriously? I didn't do anything wrong.
Stop acting, you piece of crap. You know what the hell you did. That stunt you pulled. Jesus, why everyone has to be Tim Robbins when they get caught? Your acting is so fucking awful that the Razzies won't even accept it. Just come with me now and stop wasting time or I will mace you.
Alright, I'm coming. Jeez, I am so screwed.
Damn well you are, bald boy.
Oh, it was you dumbass who pulled that fire alarm. You stopped us from watching the movie.
Shut your bad breath stinking mouth up. If you like Disney movies so bad, go suck Mickey Mouse's dick you got.
Shut up. I will slap you.
Okay, I will shut up. Please don't slap me.
1 strike for pretending, 2 strikes for your poor acting, 3 strikes for intimidating your classmate, Ra&Ry's gender bent, and 5 strikes for pulling that freaking fire alarm, and 10 strikes for wasting the firemen's time and having them humiliated me. Oh, it's all on you. You. I hate you, Caillou motherfucking Anderson. I hope you get what you deserve in the jail cell you're going tonight. And how dare you have the fireman insulting me like that? And all of that stuff you did don't really mean much to me, honestly, but you leading the firemen insult me. It's just sickening. How can anyone say that to me? I'm such a handsome individual. I changed my style just to have someone brutally roast me like that. I'm suspending you for a whole month. Now get out of my office.
Come on now, kid.
Please no.
You better answer me, you son of a fucking bitch. Why did you pull the fire alarm?
Look, I was bored. I wanted to do something fun to get out of the school.
Oh, you think you're a tough guy, huh? Well, let's see how tough you are when I traumatize you here for 8 hours straight. You bastard, you created the false alarm to make everyone panic.
And I'm proud of it, bitch.
Alright, it's so fucking it. I'm gonna confine you.
Ah, crap.
Caillou Anderson, you will be sentenced to 6 months in jail, plus 1 month of community service.
Wah! Dude, why are you doing this to me?
Hey, first of all, don't call me dude. So, kindly take this sentence, and please get out of my courtroom.
Good luck.
Yes, I would like to order 25 large pepperoni pizzas. Oh, and please bring us some dipping sticks.
What are you doing?
We are throwing a pizza party and you are not invited.
Wah!
And also, your dad is coming anytime now. See you around, big boy.
It was at this moment that I know. I'm fucked up. You also got to eat pizza?
Hot damn man, this gotta be the best pizza I have ever eaten. Guess them cops ain't bad whatsoever. Unless they offer me free pizzas instead of speeding tickets. Now back to business.
Dad, I know what you're gonna say. As a matter of fact, I'm gonna save your time and saliva. How fucking dare I pull the fire alarm at school and caused everyone to panic and have the fireman insult my own principal? Do I not realize that I just wasted everyone's time? That's it. I'm so motherfucking grounded. I am grounded for 28867532457. Group of 8s. 777322457753864367885211178 days back in the claustrophobic attic sleeping with the bats, spiders, ants, rats, and roaches with no Wi-Fi, phone, computer, TV, air ventilation, and etc. Oh, and I forgot this. Why? Washington What's a? Why? Really? Do hate my fucking life so goddamn much.
Haha, you were in prison.
So, did y'all find the hidden basketball? Let us know in the comments.